So right now I need to get this food put away. As I said, the girl is hungry. I have not had not even a biscuit all day. Good morning, guys. How's everything going? Early start today. Not too early, but early. Just wanted to pop in today, guys. Get my morning going. I do need to step out. Quite a few errands I need to run today. Yeah, so, but anyway, let me start first, extend a welcome and welcome, guys, to the channel. If you're new, if you're returning, guys, hey, welcome back. Miss Pam, greatly appreciate you. Yeah, I don't know why I feel like I'm out of breath. My allergies been kicking with me, been messing with me too. Yeah, so I'm hoping everybody has a great start to their day. And again, like I said, I got some running to do. Got to make a Walmart run, grocery store run. I do need to wash up a few things at the laundromat, so I will be taking care of that. So other than that, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Woo, hey guys, I am back, finally back in my home, okay? Let me tell you, it is after 4, actually it's more or less like 4:30 in the evening. And I've been gone since I talked to you guys, I know since probably between 9:30ish. But your girl had a day. And when I tell you, like I mentioned this morning, I had a lot of stops to make. But it had to be done. Everything got done. I was trying to bring you guys along, so I do apologize for that in advance. But of course, I was unable to film in the laundromat. Let me show you guys. Okay, just so y'all know, the clothes are done and folded. Okay, so I didn't have that much, but still, while I was out, I wanted to get it done. So I got that done, and every time I turned my camera on while I was in Walmart, someone was asking me a question, and I'm talking about people in passing, total strangers, asking whether or not I'm doing this, doing that, and I just couldn't get a chance to. So I'm going to turn the cameras around because I did pick up quite a few groceries from there. So I'm going to turn the camera around. So instead of going over everything, of course, that I had purchased, I'm just going to show you guys because it's quite a bit. All right. So I'm just going to give y'all an overall view, and I can go ahead and put this stuff away because even after I got through with grocery shopping at Walmart, I still had a couple more last minute stops, and it is very hot outside. So I need to get this food put away and put in the refrigerator. Okay, I did treat myself though. Let me tell you what I did. I was going through cleaning out my kitchen cabinets of some things that I had extra of. Actually, I had too much of. So I think I mentioned to you guys I gave my daughter a lot of stuff, downsizing out of my cabinets with dishes, glassware, cookware, the whole nine. And plus, two, like I said, I had just purchased some new cookware. I shared that with you guys already from Amazon. So anyway, but while I was there, I ended up buying more dishes, right? I just had to get them because first and foremost, they had them. Not that I even need them, but they had them on sale. Okay, for $13 for a box of, for a package of 12. But let me show you guys. Okay, I thought they were so cute and different. They from Mainstay. All right, but look at this. They white, so the dishes that I already have are white, all white. But these caught my attention. But they have a blue design, so it's just your plate, your saucers, and your bowls. Okay. Um, Let me say this. So there was no cups, or there is no cups, I should say, in this serving for 4. So, but I'm okay with that because I have my share of coffee cups. I definitely don't need any more of those. All right. So again, like I said, I'm gonna give you all a panoramic view of all this food instead of going through everything individually. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. Okay. So let's do that. Okay, guys. Now that you guys have seen all the food, of course I will be washing these dishes and putting them away, but I won't worry about doing that till later. So right now I need to get this food put away. As I said, the girl is hungry. I have not had not even a biscuit all day. Okay, I done took my morning meds and my vitamins, and I need to put something on my stomach because I took that stuff like 7 something this morning. So yeah, I'm going to put this food up, give me a bite to eat, guys, and then I'll come back and join you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. It is the very next day. I do apologize. When I last spoke to you guys, we was going over some errands I had to run and just showing you guys all the food and everything I had to do, look, grocery shopping and some other errands, right? So, but got called away from the house. Some things that, a mother had to take care of. So, yeah, today I'm back picking up where we left off, right? So, I'm back in my kitchen, as you could tell, and what I want to do is that I need to do some switching around in my cabinets. I really need to get that taken care of because I'm in the process still of trying to get everything put back together and do a little transforming. Getting ready for the fall, to put up some fall decorations. Now, you guys know I do the bare minimum. I don't like to overdo it for fall. It's all pretty nonetheless. But yeah, I do want to get started with that since we are officially in fall. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull some stuff out of the cabinets because I know over here on this side is where I have a lot of my coffee cups and other dishes in this cabinet on this side. And this is more of a corner cabinet. I don't know if you guys could see as well on camera, but this is more of a corner cabinet. So I do want to switch this one with my canned goods over here and, just switch places. It's just more space over here for the canned goods and some dry goods. Okay, so we'll see what I can do, what I can come up with, but I know for sure I do need to change that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and because I still need to get these dishes washed that I showed you guys, the brand new ones, and get those put away as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, guys, we are finally done with this kitchen. Okay, I didn't have a lot to do, but as you can see, I was moving around, and I went ahead and finished up the cabinets, and I'm just giving you guys a panoramic view of everything being done. Okay, I went ahead and switched out my black and white decor in the kitchen. Went ahead and put the fall colors in. As you can see, the coffee hand towels, I love it pretty brown. I did also lay down an area rug to the floor. Okay, it too is also in the color brown, as you can see. But let me show you guys about these cabinets. I am going to have to go ahead and invest in a tall double-sided cabinet, double door sided cabinet. Let me show you why. Okay, this is the first cabinet you guys saw that had all the canned goods in it. It now houses the dishes on this side, as I mentioned before, right? So after that, the little narrow cabinet next to it is where I house a lot of my glassware, coffee cups as well. And there are some coffee cups in that cabinet right there too. You could probably see them right here, the navy blue ones. Right, so but my problem is I just don't have enough cabinet space, and of course this is the reason why I gave so much stuff to my oldest daughter. I went ahead and laid out this beautiful brown or bronzed leaf, as you see on my counter. All right, so I did a little rearranging at where things were sitting. So my microwave, of course, was sitting here, and I moved this over to this side here. All right, and the little happy harvest sign here with my paper towel holder. Yeah, so let me show you guys the cabinet that the canned goods used to be in over here is now in the corner cabinet here. All right, now even in this corner cabinet, still it's not enough room. All right, so I put everything here. And guys, when I tell you it's back there, it's still not enough room. Okay, because I still end up doing the cabinet over top of my sink here. I had to store away some things even in that cabinet as well. Yeah, the point is I just don't have enough cabinet space or counter space. So I'm going to go ahead and invest in one of those double door sided cabinets, the tall cabinets. I'm just going to have to go ahead and invest in one of those. I've been wanting to anyway. I've just been putting it off, and look like I'm getting ready to go ahead and get that taken care of. So let me turn the camera back around. Okay, guys, as you can see, everything in the kitchen is done. I'm glad to get that out of the way. Like I said again, it wasn't a lot to do. I just had to do some switcheroo here and yeah, just tidy up a bit, mop the floor, wipe things down. So the kitchen is done. So tomorrow I will be starting on my living room. I'm just getting some things squared away with that so I can have everything I need to put in place. I hope this little video, guys, was entertaining to you. I appreciate you guys sticking around to watch. Yeah, everything that you saw that I picked up for my decoration, for my fall decorations, even though it was very little. Same thing with the living room, you guys will see in the next video, have been also bought from my local roses. And everything that I purchased, guys, was actually less than $10. Yeah, like I said, I have a small space. It don't take much, and I didn't want to overdo it, right? I didn't want to have just too much. But yeah, there is still a couple things I will be picking up because I'm not quite done. But yeah, but this is sufficient enough to go ahead, you know, and pull some things out that I had already purchased. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, I'm getting ready to go in here and go online and probably go to Amazon or Walmart and price some tall cabinets, because I definitely need the space, and I may be getting two. right? Because I could actually use two. So we'll see. But when that time comes, I'll be sure to let you guys know. Again, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you hanging out. Please don't hesitate to hit the like and subscribe button, guys. I am really trying to get this channel monetized. I would greatly appreciate if you guys help me do that. So yeah, I'm not going to keep rambling. So I hope you guys enjoyed again. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.